Hi kids, how you doing? Hey, I really enjoyed having class with you this afternoon. It was kind of different meeting in the afternoon, wasn't it? Hope you all got to sleep in a little bit and maybe rest. Hey, those science experiments that we were watching, those were really neat, weren't they? I really would like to try a couple of them here at my house and make videos to show you. Remember the summer when I showed you the cooking videos and the videos of the sunflowers? Well, I can make a few short videos over fall break, and I can show you each day. But I think the things that I'm going to start with first is I'm going to try the experiment with the egg in vinegar. And then I'm also going to get some clear cups, and I'm going to put the paper towels in them with the colored water and see if that really works the way they showed us. I think it would be neat to try in the classroom, but I'm going to try it at home first, and I'm going to take videos to share with you. So the first one we're going to do is the egg experiment, and I'm going to turn my camera around in just a minute, and I'm going to show you me putting the eggs in the containers and the vinegar, and then we'll see what happens. Be back. Hey kids, I'm back. I'm ready to do the experiment with you. I'm in my kitchen. This is a mat that I keep on my kitchen counter to dry my dishes. We're going to work on this mat today. I love watermelons, so of course I've got a watermelon mat. So we're going to do the experiment where we put the egg in vinegar, and it's going to stay in the vinegar for several days, and then we're going to see if our egg is bouncy like it was in the video that we watched. So I'm going to start with, I have 2 plastic containers, and I've got 2 eggs. Here's 1 egg, and here's another egg. I just took them out of the refrigerator. They're cold eggs. And then I have vinegar. This is called white vinegar. It's clear. It kind of looks like water, but if you open it, it'll smell really nasty. Vinegar has an odor to it. Your moms or your adults, the people in your house, might have vinegar in your kitchen. You can use vinegar to cook with. Vinegar also makes a good cleaner. There's lots of many uses for vinegar. And this is white vinegar. Now, in the experiment we watched on the video, they used white vinegar, but there are many different kinds of vinegar. And I also have this kind of vinegar in my kitchen. It's called apple cider vinegar. And this vinegar is kind of dark colored or amber colored. It's made from apples. It's not like apple juice. Apple juice is really sweet if you drink it. But this vinegar, if you drank this, excuse me kiddos, if you drank this vinegar, it would be really, 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 really nasty. It would probably burn your mouth, and it might make you sick if you had too much. But apple cider vinegar is also good. People cook with it, and it can also be used to clean things. Remember, don't ever play with anything in your kitchen cabinets or eat it or put it in your mouth unless you have an adult with you and they tell you that it's okay. Okay, so I want to see, like I said, in our video that we watched, they used white vinegar with the eggs, but I'm going to try 2 experiments. I'm going to do 1 egg with white vinegar and 1 egg with apple cider vinegar. I'm going to see if one works or the other, if they both work, or which one works best. So here are my bowls. I'm going to put 1 egg in one bowl and another egg in another bowl. I'm going to start with the white vinegar. Let me get the lid off of it here. I Probably should have loosened the lid before I got you guys on video. Let me get it over here and turn it on. Or, oh, not turn it on, but open it. Okay, my vinegar's opened. And I'm going to pour the white vinegar on this egg. I'm going to cover it up. My container might not be big enough. Okay. That egg looks like it's completely under the vinegar. I'll put a little bit more vinegar in there. Okay, let me get rid of the white vinegar. Let me set it back here. Put the lid on it so I don't spill it. And now we're going to try the apple cider vinegar. I'm going to pour the apple cider vinegar on this one. And fill it full. And you know what? My containers really are not going to be big enough because the eggs keep popping out. Tell you what, I'm going to stop my video for a minute and I'm going to find some bigger containers. And I'll let you see me switch them over, okay? So you're with me on the whole experiment. I'll be right back. Okay, kids, sometimes even adults make mistakes. So my bowls are too small for the experiments. So I got in my cupboard and I found these glasses, these tall glasses. I hardly ever use these, so I forgot I had them. So I've got 2 of them. So I'm gonna start with the white vinegar egg. I'm gonna put it in the cup, in the glass, really careful so it doesn't break. And then I'm going to pick up the container that has the vinegar and pour the vinegar on it. There we go. That works a lot better. There's the egg. And you can see the vinegar. The egg is in there. Okay, now let me do the other egg. The one that's in the apple cider vinegar. Let me put it in here real careful, because we don't want to crack it. Okay, there's the egg. Now I'm going to pick up the container with the apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to pour it in there. Okay, so there are the eggs. Remember, the dark one is the apple cider vinegar. And the one that's clear is the white vinegar. I'm going to leave these on my counter, and we'll call today the day 1, and I will come back tomorrow and we will look at the eggs, and then we'll come back the next day and we'll look at them, and when they're translucent, or when you can see through the egg, then the experiment will be ready. Okay, I'll see you later.